Very much looking forward to the new challenge ahead. You know, I just wanted to kind of get it going now. We've had good fortune as well, and we've done all right in Europe now, so it's given us a good platform to go on from. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, it's always good to get perspective of different managers, different views and opinions about football and that. And his is definitely one that is quite inspiring, and you know, he's a motivator, and you know, he brings out the best in players.
We've got to aim high this year. We've qualified for Europe, obviously through the playoffs. So I think European qualifications probably first and foremost. But yeah, let's hope we can challenge the top teams, Bala, TNS. We're quietly confident. We've had a good pre-season obviously with the game, so hopefully we can push on now and kick on to the league and do well.
Aiming for always to improve, making sure that my goal tally continues and score as many goals as possible, but from a team point of view as well, and getting higher up the league as possible, and seeing how it progresses from there on in.